60 seconds, I will teach you 7 things that take most people a lifetime to learn. 1. Feeling sad after making a decision doesn't mean it was the wrong decision. 2. Self-awareness is the realization that there is no opponent. It's you versus you. The only person you should compare yourself to is the person you were yesterday. 3. Sometimes saying goodbye doesn't mean you don't love something. It just means you love yourself. 4. The lesson you struggle with will repeat itself until you learn from it. 5. If you keep one hand on your past and one hand on your future, you'll never have either. To embrace tomorrow, you must let go of yesterday, and to embrace today, you must stop obsessing over tomorrow. 6. You never know how valuable your health is until you are fighting for it. So, fight for it now before you have to. 7. Life's most valuable